So in this video, we will see how we can create a thermometer chart in Power BI. This is actually a custom visual. So let's get started. Now we have our data here that I have already connected. So this data is showing us region-wise actual and target sales, and in the thermometer, what will be the maximum and minimum range. Now here, what you can do is that we will be using an average, but you can also add filter to it and create each thermometer for a different region. We will see how we can do that also. So let's come back here, and since this is a custom visual, it's not part of the visualization pane. We will go in our Power BI desktop and we will click on get more visuals and we will select this. Now here we will search for thermometer. Oh, thermometer. So this is the one that we will be using. Now here, this is how it will look like. So you can have current sales versus target sales. Here also, you see that they have divided it by the number of months, and for that you can have like for each thermometer you can have a different kind of temperature and target value. For example, here they have added the June sales. This can be used for any tracking inventory or human resources, sales, and all these things. This is a free visual, so we will just go and add it. Okay, so this has been imported. First, I will go and add a table so that we can know what data we are working with. Add region, actual sale, target sale, and here, just let me. Now, how you can further format your table, you can watch my video on that. Now here, let's go ahead and first you will create a average, a thermometer that will reflect the average. So we will go here and in the temperature we will add the actual sale and we will make it average. In the target we will add target and we will add the average again. In the minimum and maximum we have the minimum, and here again, and here again. So now this is showing us the average of the whole total sales versus target. Now let's see further how we can format it. So we will go to format your visual and we'll see what options we have. So in the configuration, you can also set up your minimum maximum value here. You can have the tick bar. Yes, we need it. And the actual color of the value, this is the one, but we will keep it black. Now there's not further we can configure here. In the legends, if you want to keep it or no, yes, we do. And here you can add the legend name and fill and border. So we will keep it like this. In the journals tab, you can format it how you format any visual. So this is the title. We will just say average sales versus target. And here, let's bring it in the middle. We'll add a nice background. No, we'll keep it black. And in the background, we will add this. And yeah, in the effects, let's add a visual border and shadow. And you can also format the data format and all. Now this is all you have for this, but if you want to show you your data region wise, so what you can do is let's add one more. Let's bring it here and we will do the same temperature. Where is the temperature? Yeah, actual sales, sorry. Actual sales, target value, maximum, minimum, and here we will do a filter. So in the filter, we will make the region only center. So now it is showing us, no, not on this page, on this visual. So we will create a filter which is just the center. Now let's format it for, we will change the color to, let's say, yellow, and the border also a darker shade of yellow. And here in the generals tab we will say some of central actual sales. Let's just actual versus target sale. Target sale. Let's bring it in the middle, and again we will add a background and do the same effects. So visual and shadow. Now this is for the central. If you want to add more, you can have for example, let's add another actual sales temperature, target sales, maximum, minimum, and in the filter I will make it for the east, and again in the legends, just to change it, let's make it this, like this, and here we will change the title to east actual versus target sales. Let's bring it in the middle. Again, background, text color is the same, and in the effects we will add visual border and shadow. You can do it for all others also, just like I showed you how they did it for June. They were showing it and they did it for each month. So you can filter out and you can create for different, and you can format it how you want it. So I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.